everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a really cute hairstyle. This one is super fast. It only will take you 5 minutes. So what it looks like. Let's get started.
This hairstyle is a really fast one, and it's a perfect one if you are trying to branch out from just pigtails or ponytails and want a little bit of variety, but don't want any braiding involved. So I'm going to start by making a deep left side part and then a deep right side part, leaving sections down by either of the ears. And then we're going to come to the back of the crown section and make a part all the way across. So I will be working with this front crown section. Now you'll see me working with this front section a lot, and the reason that I do that is because it's a very versatile section to work with. Even girls that have short hair, it will be longer, a little bit longer on top, and you can always change it up to an all up style if you want it all up, or if your little one has longer hair. So I'm pulling the rest of the hair out of the way for now, and we'll come back to this front section. This is also a really great style if you're trying to grow your little one's bangs out. So I'm going to take about 1/3 of the hair and come from right to left. And once I've got the hair from right to left, I'm going to take the back 2/3 of the hair. I'm going to comb it over to this left side at a diagonal. And then I'm just simply going to secure it into a side ponytail over at a diagonal. Now the next part is these front 4 ponytails, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that. We are going to start with the center part. I'm going to come straight up from her nose to kind of get an idea where center is, and come straight back. So I've got it parted in 2, and now I'll take the right section and part it again in 2. I'm going to do the middle ponytail first because then I don't have to use elastics or clips to clip it off. After I've done the first middle section, I'm going to come over to the far right, comb it out, and add a ponytail as well. After you're done with the second ponytail, I'm going to come back to the other large section on the left, and we're going to part this one in half. Again, doing the middle ponytail first, and I'm just alternating colored elastics for a fun pop of color that also matches her shirt. So there's our 3rd ponytail, our final and 4th ponytail. I'll add an elastic too. Now the tails of the ponytails, you want them to be slightly damp, or spray a little bit of gel in them, because you get a cleaner, neater look when you go to add them to your ponytail. So you see me spraying the gel, and then I'm just going to comb the gel through to minimize flyaways and bring them all over into that back diagonal ponytail that's holding the other 2/3 of the hair, and add an elastic. Now these ponytails might be laying flat up against the hair underneath it. You can slightly pull at them if you want to, but that is our finished style. This really is a 3 to 5 minute style once you've got the hair prepped and ready to go. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye!